Okay, so this is the definitive course on how to use Claude Cowork if you're in sales. A lot of sales reps and sales teams are using Claude Cowork to maximize their productivity by being able to cover more accounts, reach out to more prospects, and identify which one of their existing customers are ready to upsell and buy more from them. Now, this course is super beginner friendly. A lot of sales reps, their only experience with AI is really chatting through ChatGPT or Claude on the website, really using it as a glorified search engine to ask questions whenever they come up throughout the day. But the goal of this course is to show you how you can use an agent like Claude Cowork to autonomously complete tasks on your behalf so that you can spend your day focusing on building relationships with your customers and closing bigger deals faster. Now, a couple of housekeeping things. I've packaged all the workflows that I showed throughout this course into a Claude sales plugin that you can find in the description below. All you have to do is download this plugin, and then you can import it or upload it to your Claude instance, and then you can start running these exact same workflows for your business. Now, this course is broken up into 7 different videos. I do recommend watching these videos sequentially, and after you're done with watching all these videos, I really want this course to be a reference material for you, so at any point if you do get stuck, you can always just go back to whatever video would be the most helpful to help debug whatever issue you're running into. Now, last thing, if you do enjoy this course, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I post weekly about how you can use AI to really scale sales and your revenue function. So if you like that kind of content, follow me here on YouTube. Also, if you have any video ideas or any questions, please put them in the comments below. It'll be super helpful for me. But outside that, enjoy the course and let me know what you think.